everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download Peacock TV on an Amazon Fire Stick. Let's get started. First, turn on your TV and make sure your Fire Stick is connected to the internet. Now go to the home screen of your Fire Stick. At the top of the screen, move to the search icon that looks like a magnifying glass. Click on it and using the on-screen keyboard, type Peacock TV. From the search result, click the Peacock TV app. Make sure it's the official app. Next, click on download or wait. Please wait a few seconds while the app installs on your Fire Stick. Once the download is complete, click open. You will see the Peacock TV welcome screen. If you already have a Peacock account, simply sign in using your email and password. If you don't have an account, select sign up and follow the steps on the screen to create one. After signing in, you are ready to start watching movies, TV show, live sports, and more on Peacock TV. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded Peacock TV on your Amazon Fire Stick. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.